All right, 3.4 is going to feel a little bit like, eventually, the second half of it anyway, like 3.2, where we had algorithms, that is, ways of doing multiplication. But the first part of this actually talks about definitions of exponents. So an exponent is the value that's written as, sort of looks like a superscript on top of the a. That is what an exponent is. And when we define a to the n, it means that I have a multiplied by itself n times. So it is a repeated multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition, and exponents is repeated multiplication. And you guys saw this when we did geometric series, the geometric sequences. We saw this repeated multiplication thing, and we got a list of numbers that all had a multiplication to get to the next factor. Okay? So there's some properties of exponents that you may or may not remember. Do you remember what happens or how we can simplify when we have the same base, a, and we have exponents on them? You add the exponents. What happens if you have the same base and they're divided? You subtract the exponents. Now, how is 3 different than 1? Say louder for me.
N is being multiplied by n.
The a to the m is being raised to the power of n, right? It's an exponent. What do you notice is not present that was present on number 1? 2 a's. I don't see a second a. So when I have a raised to a power and another power, what do you think I end up doing with those exponents? They are multiplied. And we'll talk more about why these work next time. How about the fourth one? Do you remember how to simplify that? So it has this feel of somehow distributing. Notice this is very specific. This is when the a and the b are multiplied. I don't have addition going on of a and b or anything like that. That won't work. The last feature on this slide is a definition of what it means to have an exponent of 0. When you have an exponent of 0, we define that to be the number 1 on any number. Okay, so as long as a is a natural number, any natural number, it can be 5, it can be 502, it can be 4,372,691. Okay? Anything to the 0 power is going to equal the number 1. All right?